Welcome to day 18 of my 0 to 10K challenge in 30 days for Amazon ads for my Amazon KDP books. I'm Dean the Wealth Coach and welcome. So let's see how we did yesterday. Okay, so go to reports. And from the looks of it, we're at the same. So we're flatlining right now. And we're more than halfway. We're getting on week 3 now. Or ending week 3, going on to week 4. Let's go to marketing. Alright, so we spent some more money on budgeting. We got some clicks. However, no, not some clicks. We got a few clicks. A lot more impressions. The budget's going up. Let's see here. So based off of this, so the credits, we got some more clicks, but no sales. So we gotta look into that. This one's off. This one's getting a few clicks, but still no sales. A few of them, but nothing really. Let's look into this one. This is the manual journal one. I said the ads myself. So $7, 2,500 impressions. So this is for the journals. It's at 75 cents, but nothing is clicking it. We're getting clicks, but no conversions. Okay, so we'll leave that alone. Doesn't look bad, so not exactly sure. Too bad you can't just delete it so that it's just gone for good. It's one weird thing about these Amazon ads. Like if you create something by mistake, it stays there. So it's like, okay. So that one. The other ones will give some time to let it run. I didn't set up for Canada and the UK. Canada is moving very, very slow, so I'm not really going to touch that one. Oh look, we finally hit 100. But we're not spending anything, which is not a bad thing. People are seeing it, just no clicks. One thing I learned with doing this challenge so far is it does take hard work and it takes a lot of patience. You got to be patient with this, because well, not just this, but anything that you do. Like imagine yourself being a seed and being planted. It's gonna take time for you to grow your roots, sprout some leaves, and then blossom, right? So you gotta just keep going and going. Like things don't see the light, or I forget how the saying goes, but before you see the light, you must be buried. I don't know exactly. Don't quote me on that. You can Google it. You'll probably find it. Same thing like when you're digging for gold. You might just be there if you just shovel or dig one more time. You might just hit the jackpot, right? So nothing before it's time. Grateful to be on this journey. If you guys have found value in these videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be releasing more videos on books that I have been reading, some other ways that you can make money online for you guys to look at to help you increase the amount of money you make. passively, that is. I've been still looking up ways to what's the word? Oh, keyword search. Found a few things, but nothing has changed so far. These campaigns, I'll leave it at $1. Um, yeah, so I still gotta figure out this. I'm not sure why or what is going on. So back to the drawing board, research and development. Try to figure out why we are not converting. Once we figure that out, as I say, we will strike gold. It's been a fun 2.5 weeks being on this journey. It's teaching me to exercise patience with myself, and nothing happens overnight. Like $10,000 is a very bold um, achievement, but if you don't aim high, you're not going to be satisfied with any results that you obtain. So, how does that saying go? Shoot for the moon, land amongst the stars. So I set it very high for myself so that if I don't hit it or if I come close to it, I know I'm on the right path. And treat this like you going to the gym. You're not going to see results immediately. It's going to take time and effort into you being disciplined to condition your body, not just for exercising, but the way you eat and the way you sleep. Same thing for this challenge. No one said it's going to be easy, but once you put that work in and you just keep trying and trying, you'll eventually find something that works. Like a book that I read, The Principles, where he has the principle loop. It starts with trying, um, hitting a roadblock, figuring out a solution, gaining the knowledge, and then trying again to pass that level that you just had the roadblock at. So the same thing can apply for this. Like if I just stop now, maybe tomorrow will be that day that I hit my mark, right? Or I start to see more traction. You can't just stop. You gotta just keep going and going. Like everything that we do is, everything that you do evolves, and hitting the 10K is the goal, but the fun is in the journey, and that's me putting in the work, figuring out what works from what doesn't work, versus just hitting that goal. Because when you hit that goal, what happens after that? It's either A, you move on to something else, or B, you try to achieve higher. So goals only happen once, but the journey is like over the long period of time. So for me, I'm enjoying the journey because it's, as I mentioned before, just the patience and just figuring out this process. I'm treating this like a video game. Like this is level one for me. Once I figure out level one, then level two. Because if I can make $10,000 online, what's to say that I can't make $100,000 from selling books? I hope you found some value in this video, and if you have, make sure to like this video, and I will see you tomorrow for day 19 of the 0 to 30K challenge. I've also linked a video for you to watch next on 6 things that you can claim on your tax return.